Aircraft Maintenance Planning Course Overview. This 2-day professional development training program is designed to equip participants with the fundamental knowledge and skills necessary to methodically carry out aircraft maintenance planning activities within the engineering department of an airline or an independent continuing airworthiness management organisation. It includes illustrative examples and activities to facilitate practical understanding and competence development. It is aimed at engineering technicians and graduates who are new to aircraft maintenance planning or intermediate professionals who are involved with this function but have never received formal training. The course is structured into 3 modules. The first module, Airworthiness Fundamentals, explores the concept and principles of airworthiness and how this is linked to the role of an aircraft maintenance planner. The second module, Aircraft Maintenance Requirements, reviews key terms in maintenance and elaborates on the scheduled and unscheduled maintenance requirements of aircraft, as well as maintenance forecasting and cost estimation. And finally, the third module, Aircraft Maintenance Tasking, unpacks the maintenance tasking process, step by step, from the establishment of a statement of work right through to the verification of the requested work. It includes key considerations in the analysis of ADs and SBs, as well as aircraft defects and damage in order to facilitate maintenance tasking as required. It also reviews typical issues encountered during maintenance planning and how to deal with them without compromising safety. The course is available to complete online as an e-learning program with instructor support. Consequently, it is ideal for clients looking for self-paced and flexible training solutions which can be accessed from anywhere and at any time. Alternatively, it is also available for virtual or in-company classroom delivery upon request. This is ideal for corporate clients looking for instructor-led training solutions to cater for the professional development needs of their organisation. Please refer to the video description below for further information about the course, including a free PDF program descriptor. Thanks for listening, and we look forward to supporting your training requirements.